If you're using Google Tag Manager, publishing your updates correctly is what makes all your tracking efforts actually work. A lot of people create tags, triggers, or variables and forget that none of it goes live until it's published. And that's exactly what I'll walk you through right now. Start by opening your browser and heading to tagmanager.google.com. Log in if you aren't already, and you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, choose the container tied to the website you're working on. If you manage multiple sites, double check you're in the right one because each container holds its own tags, triggers, and variables. Once the container is open, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click Submit. This is the button that starts the publishing process and prepares your changes to go live. A window will pop up asking for a version name. Don't skip this. Naming each version helps you keep track of what's changing over time. Use something clear and specific, like Analytics Updates or New Conversion Tag. Below that, you'll see a space for a description. This part is optional, but it's a best practice to use it. A quick note like, added Google Ads conversion tracking and updated GA4 tag can save you headaches later, especially if you or someone else needs to troubleshoot or review past updates. Once your version name and any notes are in place, click Publish. That's it. Your tags and configurations are now live and actively working on your website. Publishing may feel like the last tiny step, but it's the one that makes everything else matter. Keeping your versions organized and documented saves time, prevents confusion, and ensures your analytics and marketing tools stay accurate. If this helped, stick around for more straightforward digital how-to guides and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.